What's good, fam? And welcome to a snowy day. Look at our road. It's blood covered. Let's go feed some animals. It's the one time of year I do not like. Hey, boys. It's all snowy. This is what I'm seeing in front of me. Snow. Lots and lots of snow. Even my chickens are snowed. Crazy girl's getting that chicken coop. My crazy chickens will not go. They have a perfectly good coop, but yet they prefer to walk out here. Crazy ass chickens. Come on. Fuck, it's frozen. Shit, and there's an egg. Means I'm gonna have to make this open. So I can get this little eggie out. Eggie up here where I can grab it. See, we got an eggie. Okay, but here's the dilemma. Damn thing's frozen. Oh. Damn, it's froze. Let's see, find me a rock. More than one way to skin a kitty. That damn might hurt. Haha, rock. Redneck engineering, boys. Eat that eggie. Shit. Okay, Rocky, I need you back again. Okay, stick. Now find a nice, heavy, dirty stick. And this is freaking freezing my hands off. Let's see. Some damn sticks, and I can't even find a stick. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Stick. Looks like a good stick. Be good to make wand out of, but good for what I need. It's just prying a door open. Or not. This damn stick is a piece of shit. Good for what I need. Okay. Never mind. Freaking broke it. Oh my god. Dear God. Well, that egg's just gonna have to wait. I just can't freaking get it out. I'll bring some hot water out and I guarantee I get that son of a bitch out. Or it's just gonna have to wait till this crap breaks. Look at all the snow. Snowy, snowy, snow. I don't like it. It's cold. Hey, bunny! Baby bunny! Baby bunny's happy because she knows I got food. Smart little bunny. You know what? To do this, I'm just gonna turn you guys that away. So y'all can watch. I think all my hands into this and hey, big boy. There you go. Ah, got caught. No, you don't, baby bunny. You can get out here. Just have you killed in a heartbeat. Alright. Got the feeding done. I just gotta get some water. I'll catch you all on the updrift. I wanted to give you all a update. 'Cause it's snowing. I'm getting snow in my face. It's just snowing in my face. I don't know if y'all can see all the snow or not. It's snowy. There, that's a road. Main highway. It's totally white. You can hear creek across the road, so AMSR. That is our road, main highway. Wait. Oh, I see you guys in the next one. Peace.